Dynamics 365 simplifies financial reporting with instant insights, real-time drill downs, and interactive analytics, helping finance teams move faster and make smarter decisions. Let's start by reviewing the trial balance for a real-time snapshot of our financials. We do this by going to General Ledger, followed by Inquiries and Reports, and Trial Balance. After entering a data range and the appropriate financial dimension set, click on Calculate Balances. The screen displays the trial balance for the GL accounts and financial dimensions in the financial dimension set selected. Click on any of the numbers to drill into the transactions that make up that balance. The screen displays the transactions that make up the balance in the previous screen. Need more details? Let's click on More Options. You can now drill down into the original document for the selected transaction and trace it back to its source, without switching between systems. Let's now open a ready-to-use financial statement in just a few clicks. Click General Ledger, followed by Financial Reports. Select 12-month trend income statement, default. Click the hyperlink to open the financial statement. This is a sample financial statement in D365. Need deeper insights? Click any balance to drill down into lower-level transactions. This screen now displays the next level of transaction detail. Click on any of the balances to drill further down into the source transaction. By clicking on Open Account Transactions, we can even go further to the source transactions that make up the balance for full transparency. After clicking, you'll be taken to a screen that displays detailed GL transactions. As with our first example, you can then open the original document for the selected transaction. Want a consolidated financial view across all business units? Let's analyze financial performance by clicking Financial Analysis, All Companies. We can filter by date or drill down into specific regions for targeted insights. Click on the graph to open the drill down menu. Click on Income Statement by Region to drill down to a more detailed report. Now we see financial performance by region and can click any number for transaction-level details. The screen will display the detailed transactions that make up the number on the income statement. Now, let's explore financial analytics for deeper insights into performance trends by clicking on Business Performance Analytics. The screen displays some of the pre-built reports that track key financial metrics. Click Financial Performance 1 to open the report. The Financial Performance Report is displayed on screen. Click here for additional options. Need custom insights? Let's edit this report. Click Edit to make changes or additions to the report. We can easily add or adjust data elements with simple drag and drop controls. Once finalized, we save the report for future use. Book a call with one of our experts at Velosio to explore how Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations can give your finance team real-time insights while saving time and improving accuracy.